Hello, everyone. Welcome back to my channel, Mental Health and Wellness, and Happy New Year. Thank God we all made it to see 2025. Okay, so in today's video, I'm going to be talking about setting goals for 2025. You know how every year, in January, we always set these goals, and by March, all those goals are out the window. Okay, so I'm going to give you some tips to help you set goals for 2025. Okay, now the first one is being patient with yourself. And what you can do is look back in 2024 and all the things that you wanted to accomplish and you didn't accomplish. Well, tell yourself you are going to accomplish those things in 2025. Okay. So you have to be patient with yourself. Sometimes it takes longer than a year, 2 or 3. Sometimes it can take 5 years or more to get to your goal. But at least you set the goal. And that's the first thing, setting the goal. Okay. The next one is going to be writing the goal down on paper. You know, a lot of times people will think about the goal, but it's one thing to think about a goal, and it's another thing to write it down. So you should write your goal down, and then you can put a date right beside the goal. Just put a date. You know, this is the goal that I have for such and such date. Now, if it doesn't happen, don't get discouraged. You know, don't say, oh, well, my goal, I didn't reach my goal. I wanted to reach my goal. Well, you know what? That was just a setback. We all have setbacks in life, and sometimes life happens, and you can't reach your goal by the date that you wanted to reach your goal. But you know what? You will reach it, just maybe not at the date that you wanted to reach it. So don't be hard on yourself when it comes to reaching your goal. Okay, the next one is have realistic goals. You know, don't have a goal, something that you know will take 2 years, and you want to do that in 3 months. You know, have realistic goals. And then that way, if your goals are realistic, you know, you won't get discouraged. You won't get upset. You know, you won't get depressed. So make sure that you are being patient and you have realistic goals. And then the other one that we're going to talk about is go step by step. You know, what you do is you start out with a daily goal, a weekly goal, a monthly goal, and then a goal for the whole year. And always write it down, because if you don't write it down, it can slip away from you. But if you write it down and then you look at that paper often, just look at the paper, and you'll see your goals. You know, you can even check them off if you write them down. Okay, I did this day. Okay, I did this week. You know, this month I did this. So it always helps to write your goals down. And, you know, a lot of times, you know, the reason why people give up on their goals is because they have unrealistic expectations. You know, goals take time. And you can't be an impatient person if you have like a goal that you want to accomplish. Let's just say you want to open a business or something. You know, that takes time. There's a lot of things involved in that. And so you really, really have to give it time. You know, too many people give up on their goals. They give up on their goals. They give up on their dreams. You know, all because they were impatient. So, try not to be impatient. Don't give up on that goal. Don't give up on that dream. Just keep at it. Keep at it. Baby steps. You know, if you start out small, you take a step. Start out small, take another step. Start out small, take another step. And you will be able to see those steps, those baby steps, getting bigger and bigger and bigger towards your dreams, towards your goal. So don't give up on that dream and don't give up on your goals. And don't be hard on yourself. Don't get frustrated. Don't get upset. Don't get angry. Just keep at it and it will happen. But it's a process. And we all have setbacks. Life happens. Life happens to everyone on this earth. But you just have to remember to stay focused. Keep your mind on what you want to do. Not on what someone is saying that you shouldn't do. If you feel like this is a realistic goal, it's something that's affordable, you're not hurting anybody, get counsel. Get counsel from friends. Get counsel from relatives. If it's maybe a big financial decision, always get counsel first. And then just go after it. Don't be afraid to go after your goal. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video. And Happy New Year. If you like this video, subscribe and like. And I'll see you in my next video. Okay, bye-bye.